kągi, štai esu aš, didysis Lovemix. Šiandien šiek tiek neįprastas vidosas, va turim komunistinę mašiną. Ir na kągi, galima veikti per GTA 2026. Aišku, kad nusipirkti menšiną, tai tą ir darome iš karto. Tavų pinigus, iki paskutinės kapeikos dabar visus išleisiu. Ant labai svarbių ir reikalingų dalykų. Ant Vinewood Residence. Nes neblogai ten vaizdai, nebloga vieta. Ten prie Kazinkės. Gerai, tai važiavam. Yes. Nemokamus imsiu. Paskui tip colored pasiimsiu, nes man patinka tip color. Reikia sumečinti su savo freakinės. Ką mes čia turim? Ja, mes nieko neįperku. Ką čia nieko neįperku. Bet viskas gerai, aš esu tam pasiruošęs. AI assistant galima pasiimti.
So good to meet you. I'm Angel. Can I call you Daddy?
Hell yeah. Nu tai va, pasirinkimas yra aiškus. Tie, kas ima ne Angel, jie savo meluoja. Tipo, jie sako, aš ne Guneris, aš nesu Guneris. Net esi Guneris širdį. Tipo, tu nepabėgsi nuo tiesos, tiesiog nieko nepadarysi. Ir dar additional rūmą reikia podimo. Jo, Gunerių, gimiai Gunerių ir mirsi, kaip sakant, tai nieko čia nepadarysi. Nei pridėsi, nei atimsi. Ir, na kągi, perkam. Visi pinigai išleisti, karočią. Ką ir waypointas setina ir be jokio kato nuvažiuosiu iki tenai su savo labai driftinančią mašiną. Reikia pasimėgauti. Ką tik išleidus 13 milijonų beveik. Nebloga suma apskrita tokia. Teka taupyti savaitę laiko. Pabiški prisėdant, parduodant kokso kokią, nežinau, meth, acid. Tik vieną iš jų pardavinėjau, tik acid. Šitą mašiną, beje, tiesiai ant podimo keliausia, jinai paruošta. Tunintas balė automobilis, kas gali būti geriau ant podimo. Labai atitinka kanalo tematiką, sakyčiau. Ir labai viskas nuostabu. Netgi kacinus, tai jūs galėsiu parodyti. Reikės jaučiu timestampus sudėti. Description. Bus visiškai be katų. Kaip Jimbo Limbo kontentas beveik. Beveik Jimbo Limbo. Nu, blėt. Jisai kaltas dėl avarijos. Realiai, tipo... Aš nekaltas. Nieko nežinau. Dabar lauke sninga, tai galima ir lauke taip driftinti realiai. Tai visus 5 žiūrovus, o gal net 6. Motyvuoju eiti lauką, sėsti mašiną. Savo arba ne savo. Su teisim arba be. Mašina be teisų važiuoja, tai sėdat ir važiuoja tiesiog. Ir, kaip sakant, smagiai galima būti pabūti. Nutrenksiu greitai. Ateinčia pidaras. O tai va. Važiuojam. Negi, mano nuosavas menšinas. Reikės nusipirkti visus 3 kažkada. O, iškart įvažiuojam. Na kągi, setupinimo misija bus kažkokia. Tai turėčiau su savo gerų bičiulių Michailu susitikti.
Congratulations, buyer. Welcome to one of the most desirable properties in southern San Andreas. You've also got me, Angel, your AI assistant, to make sure you have everything you need. Can I call you Daddy? Let me show you around the place. You're gonna love it. Your office is the beating heart of your work-home interface. Here you can keep an eye on any and all of your business assets while barely lifting a finger. Downstairs, there's your garage and secure vault. Between all your hard work, I hope you'll take care of yourself. Maybe indulge in some pampering once in a while. There's the spa, indoor and outdoor pools, cigar room, and knock knock, Daddy. There's somebody at the door.
Welcome to the neighborhood!
Yeah,
Mikhail.
welcome.
Amanda, when we saw the house was taken, we were going to send a gift basket, but we thought since we live on the same side of town, we should just stop by.
Michael, good to meet you.
Mikhail.
Oh, I love this. This is Zelma Bosch, right? Oh, honey, you know her. She's always trying to get her work into one of your films.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, look at this view!
Nice.
Wow. You don't mind, do you? I saw a tour of this in Ideal Living magazine, and I'm just dying to have a look around. Now this is class. Ah, our dining chairs are by the same designer, aren't they, Michael?
I don't know. Did you get ripped off too?
Ugh, ignore him. Oh, it's a cigar room, Michael! You should have a cigar room!
Now that I could really get behind.
In our house, the living room is our cigar room.
Hey, honey, did you see the countertops in the kitchen?
No?
Oh my God.
They are not onyx, are Oh my god, I love onyx!
You've been flying under the radar, pal. Until all this. But we got a lot of the same friends, you and me. Diamond Casino, that was you, right?
And these fittings!
Oh, okay. This isn't necessarily my business, but we got a lot of people I trust that seem to trust you, so we'll stay in touch, yeah?
That's it! We're renovating.
Of course we are. Did you check out that place in Tongva Hills? You didn't buy that too, did you? That previous owner, he wasn't very nice.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you already had guests.
Oh, yes.
Ah.
The freaky ball.
Forgive the intrusion. I had a stake in the development of these places, just checking to see if everything is in order. Wonderful pool you have here. I'm so happy to see you doing so well for yourself. Mr. DeSanta, this is an unexpected pleasure, truly. I am Mr. Faber. Perhaps you have heard my name?
Yeah, I heard it. Banking, right?
Yes, indeed. Your last picture, that was a success. I have always admired your work.
Yeah, somehow I doubt that.
Oh, you are too modest. And I didn't know the two of you were associates.
No, just met.
Well, perhaps the three of us can work together. Now that would be a dream team, as they say. And you must be Mrs. DeSanta. Another pleasure. Now, do excuse me. I am in Los Santos to hear a Series C pitch. Driverless taxis. You've probably seen them around. Meantime, if you should need anything at all, my people are everywhere. Huh?
Well, you got his attention. You want my advice? Watch yourself with that guy. With assholes like that, it's all smiles and hand jobs. Till it ain't.
Michael, come on. The sun deck.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so nice. Michael and I are empty nesters now with too much time on our hands. And our son is finally moving away from home.
Here. You know, this is a nice neighborhood. I think you're gonna fit right in. You have any problems, though, let me know, right? All right. Come on, sweetheart. Let's give our new friend here a little time to unpack.
Enjoy your new home.
Na kągi. Baigtas. Dabar galime vaikščioti savo nuostabiame menšine. Koks geras aparatas čia, ugnies turim. Morozo fitas, by the way, nes Morozo chatą. Nes Morozino senį. Ką prie kompo gero, pageimint galima gal kokį T3 arba Sony Teira. Rūdį kas gero.
Now, as I mentioned
what the-
before, this
Oh,
is
yeah,
something
yeah,
I like to
it's
call the MCT, the Master Control Terminal. It's a little program Paige started putting together a while back. And this baby connects your whole business network, from the open road to SecuroServe. From here, you can see the stock levels of any business you own, and more importantly, you can resupply and source from here too. Have full control of all your businesses from one chair. Gone are the days where people need to get up and move to control an empire. This is the digital age where the lazy rule.
Amazing, amazing. Na kągi, labai gerai viskas, labai nuostabu netgi. Chata labai gera. Gerai įrengta tai. Maikiai punkdama įkišti savo tą mašiną, galiu pasakyti. Kur? Holy shit, čia pasiklysti galima. Opa, gerai. Kaip man patekti? Fucking hell, jau. Čia galima keiktis iš jūsų. Tai man banai įpis. Tas, čia lokacijos. Čia cool šiaip. Jo. Kaip čia šitos pasitupint? Gaud. Nežinau, su ko galima interaktinti, su ko ne.
What can I do for you, Daddy?
Jesus Christ. Ok, geras. Gerai, kaip čia į rūsį patekt? Na čia, už kampo. Ne, tiesiog rūsės. Rūsė bus mano mašina ir jinai tiesiog pradingo į orą. Įdėjom. Aš jau galiu. Įdėjom. Čia neaišku, kur esu net, man patinka. Ai, čia voltas mano su 0 kapeikų. Čia graudu yra tiesiog. Holy. Gerai, basement level. Lower level, I guess. Hey, what the fuck? Žodžiu. Nu ką, zaibys namas. Bus antras vidosas, bus pasitupinta ir dar bus aprodyta agurko chata. Aš išsipopo iš karto į svim. Na, taip ir užbaigsim. Morozas vandenį sudiks ant savo krūtinės. Jo, kitam epizode aptarsim, neaptarsim, atsiau parodysim Mansiono setupą. Bus padaryta kuo geriau ir su tip-colored sienom. O taip. Ką, viskas. Kitą kartą su jumis buvo Slav Mix. Slav out.